Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna start making a new game, and the name of our game is gonna be Jumpy Monkey. So let's start. So right now what we're gonna do is get rid of our cat because we won't need it. Then we're gonna choose some new sprites. Let's look for a monkey. This one. So it looks cute. Now let's look for an arrow. This one is like the typical thing you use. Okay, so now we're gonna call the arrow launcher. And we're gonna also create a variable called launch speed. Oh no, I don't want it to be capitalized. And we're gonna also get rid of my variable because it's annoying. Okay, so now let's go to our launcher sprite and add this code to it. When flag is clicked, set launch speed to 10. Go to x minus 200, y minus 140, point in direction 45, go to front. So let's start by putting up this block. Go to x minus 200, y minus 140. Point in direction 45, which we will find right here. Go to front. So we can find it somewhere here. I think we can also use the go to front layer, because with the new update they have it like that. So yeah. Now we're going to add this one. When left arrow key pressed, turn 1 degrees, and it's going to turn left. So here's our when something is pressed block. It's over here. When left arrow, turn left 1 degrees. So it's this way, it's going to be 1 degree. Then when right arrow key pressed, turn right 1 degree. I'm just gonna duplicate this, and we're gonna change this to right. So let's try it out. See, it's like it is moving a little bit, but it's very tough because you don't have like a lot of, just only 1 degree. So now we need to set our speed and to make it like launch. So when up arrow pressed, then if launch speed is less than 20, then change launch speed by 0.1. That's a hard one. So if launch speed is less than 20, launch speed, it's over here, 20, then change the launch speed by minus 0.1. Let's test this out. nothing basically happens, like except for the lunge speed. It becomes smaller because our lunge speed is less than 20. So now when down arrow key is pressed, you know what, I'm just gonna duplicate this, then I'm gonna change a few things. Like we're gonna get the big one and more than one, then change one's lunge speed by minus 0.1. Well, that stays the same. Wait, no, okay, so here is 0.1 instead of minus 0.1. I messed up. Okay, so yeah, now you can see that it's becoming bigger. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is go to the monkey sprite finally. So when flag is clicked, set size to 35%. Set rotation style, don't rotate. We have to find that one. It's gonna be tough. Okay, rotation style is gonna be somewhere up here. Here, set rotation style to don't rotate. Then go to launcher, I mean. And now, we're going to go back to, we are going to stay at this one and we're going to add this code to it. When space key is pressed, go to launcher, point in direction of launcher. So point in direction, I'm gonna take that one, and then direction of launcher we should find right here. Okay. That's interesting. They don't have direction. Actually, wait. Yeah, they don't have direction. Okay, now they do. Point in direction of launcher. And then repeat until touching edge, move launch speed steps. Go, and then at the very end, we're gonna say go to launcher. So repeat until is gonna be over here. Repeat until touching edge. Touching edge, you'll find it in the sensing category. Move launch speed steps. And then at the very end, we'll just say go to launcher. Okay, so now let's test it out and see how this works. Yeah, this is what happens. You have to turn our arrow. And now the monkey is going that way. This is pretty hard to turn the arrow, so we might change the amount of degrees a little later so you could change it a little quicker. But now our code is working as expected, and you can see that like the launch speed is different when we press the up arrow. So yeah, our game is working as expected. So now we're gonna make another sprite, and those are gonna be a palm tree with bananas. So let's search for it. Nope, they don't have it, so let's just say tree. And I'm gonna edit it a little bit. So we will probably erase some stuff. I'm also gonna make this smaller. No, that's too big, gosh. Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing. Okay, let's do it. Let's do 20. Excuse me. Okay, now that's working. So what I'm trying to do is make it look like a palm tree, not like a tree. I know I'm gonna fail it anyways, but we could at least try to make it like that. So hard. This looks like a Christmas tree for some reason. Is it only me, or does it actually look like a Christmas tree? It does. Well, it doesn't really matter, so yeah. We just need a tree. A tree that we could use. Oh gosh. I'm such a terrible artist. Okay. Well, that's better than nothing, at least. Like, way better than nothing. Now let's just get more brown. You know, I'm actually gonna leave it this way. Don't judge me. I'm leaving it this way, actually. And now we're gonna make this longer. Okay. At least it looks like a tree. Okay. And now we are going to name it something. We're gonna name it actually bananas, because it's gonna have like, oh no, we're just gonna leave it tree, but not tree one, tree. And now we're gonna make another sprite and name it bananas. If they have those bananas, they have them. That's perfect. I just love the tree. It looks amazing. So we are done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then let me know. See you in my next video. Bye.